Hi. To all those people who feel invisible, you are warriors. You are strong people. Um, do you know how often I feel invisible? I feel invisible every single day. But let me tell you something. It's okay. If ever you come across those people who, you look at them, you smile, and they just look at you like this, or they look away like this, just know it doesn't matter what those people think. You have the power to make someone's day and let your star shine. You don't need that 1% of the population. Or it could be 10%, it could be 20%. In fact, it only takes 1% of the population to make you realise how special you are inside and how much potential you have. You don't need these people to validate you. I have come across some of the wrong people in my life. I used to think that any attention was better than no attention. Bad attention was better than no attention. But then I started to realise that actually I'd rather be ignored by those people who, instead of being bullied by people. And do you know how liberating it is when you realise that? It is so liberating when you start to realise, you know what? I'm glad some people do this. Because then it lets me know straight away that maybe they're not right for me. At least they're not pretending to like me. Because people have pretended to like me so that they could take the piss out of me. Yeah. So just know that you should never ever let anybody else steal the light of your star. Let your star shine. You're amazing as you are, and that's all you need to know. You are still capable of all the things you're capable of. What they think of you is none of your business. What you think of yourself is none of their business either. And there's a reason that we have brains of our own and they have their own brains. That should tell you that it's everything we think is our own business.